Raina Tour and Travels. Basically, it provides a travel services, and you can see here this is the website and book directly from this source. Here is the multiple destination like Dubai, Indonesia, Singapore, Bangkok, and here is the some details about it. It's working last 20 years and 10,000 guests comfortably, confidently, and other things also like global offices, and you can also book ticket. Here is the price. Here is the some ticket, like if you want to go for the Burj Khalifa 400 rupees, you can book ticket from this source, and also Universal Studio and Ferrari theme park Abu Dhabi, you can book directly from this source, and also book ticket from this source, like if you want to go for a Burj Khalifa at the top ticket, and here is the 4002. Here is the package of also Dubai City Tour 711, and also multiple choose here. So it could be a great platform where you can book a ticket from this source, and it's a great saving from this source, and explore Malaysia for this platform. And there is also multiple benefits, affordable prices, you can see I've already seen here, and also high quality services, discount deals, and transfer and transportation services also, and customer support 24 into 7. You can check also here in details, and also social media account where you can get more information about this services.